Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Today we are cleaning my downstairs bathroom. I need to put a few things away and give it a good clean. As you can see, it is quite dirty. I would love it if you stick around till the end. Open up the window for some ventilation since I am going to use some detergent and bleach. I always use them whenever I'm cleaning my bathrooms. I like to pour a little bit of Clorox in the toilet bowl and the sink and let it sit there while I'm cleaning other places. I like to start from the top and then go down. The flowers, I'm just going to take them down and shake them to remove some dust and wipe down everything. On behalf of the Glam Squad family, if you are new to this channel, welcome. We are all about creating beautiful, glam and happy home. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And a big thank you to all of my returning Glam Squad. On my next video, I'm going to be changing some of the decor in here, giving it a more winter-like look. I really like this look right now, but it's giving me a little spring vibe look, so I really want to have a look that goes more with the season. So stay tuned for that. I will not be cleaning inside the shower because it is not being used. Don't forget the molding either. That one on the floor, they have so much dust. This vacuum is from Amazon. I have been wanting to buy the LG wireless vacuum. I'm still thinking about it. This one is not too bad. I only pay $80 for it. It gets the job done. If any one of you has the LG wireless vacuum, please leave a comment below. Let me know how you like it. And this is the Osita map from Amazon. I just got it recently. I really like it. I like the drawing compartment with the pedal. This way I don't have to twist the map with my hands. Once I'm done using it, I can throw the map in the washer. I use it on my hardwood floor as well. It does a good job at removing some of the sticky stuff on the floor. Doesn't replace a steamer, but it's good for a quick cleaning around the house. It does a good job. I really like it. I think it was $35. To map the floor, I'm not using anything special, just water, soap, and a little bit of bleach. Please feel free to recommend any great products that you are using for things like that. I have a little bit of soap scum down there, so I'm using CLR mixed with water to see if I can get it removed. I let it sit there for an hour or so, and it got the job done. Don't let the shiny rads fool you. They are full of dust, so you gotta go up there and clean it up. Amazon recommended me these go bags. I bought them. I don't have any feelings about them. I like to clean my sink last because a lot of things happen in the sink throughout the cleaning, and I use a little bit of baking soda as well to do that. And the new microfiber cloths. They are from Amazon, by the way. Many of the things that you see in this bathroom were purchased from Amazon. Link will be in the description box for all of them. We are done. Let's see how I did. As I mentioned earlier, in tomorrow's video, I'm gonna be changing some of the decor in this room. Please stay tuned for that. Baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Glam with Dalou. I thank you for your time today, and I look forward to see you tomorrow. I love you so much. Bye bye.
Like I do under my tattoos, it's a remedy.